Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Great Egg, New Jersey and Cape Henlopen, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20.42 ms, buoy 3FB, buoy 4FB, Cape May Reef, and 5 fathoms buoy until 3:30 p.m. at 1:57 p.m. Thunderstorm producing strong winds or greater over buoy 2 ms, moving southeast at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 3 nautical miles southwest of buoy 4FB by 2:20 p.m. 2 nautical miles southwest of 5 fathoms buoy by 2:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck as possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.